Today I'm just going to do a quick video / give my opinion on the CLM-V55 5-inch LCD monitor from Sony. I'm currently using the a6500 Sony camera when I'm doing my vlogs, so I wanted to make sure that I could get an additional monitor added so I can spin it around and do things like that, because the screen on the back of the a6500 only pops out like this. So it doesn't do anything if you're facing the camera like I am now. So I wanted to get this monitor to give me extra view, and this wasn't a cheap monitor. It was $350. I open up the box, ready to go, have everything set up. There's no power source, there's no batteries in the box, but when you read the description, it says you have an option to use a power cable or a battery to get power to your screen. It doesn't say that you need to buy that stuff additionally. That's what it should say in bold letters across the top. Does not include battery or power source. Instead, you put it inside the box when you get the monitor. What sense does that make? $350 for an LCD monitor. They do not tell you need the attachments to make it work, but instead you put it in the box when I get it. I just feel for the people who left reviews for Sony saying that they had photo shoots and they paid extra money to have it expedited the next day, and when they got it to do their photo shoots, they didn't have a way to make it work. Sony, you dropped the ball on that one, and I'm putting it out there. Other than that, your LCD monitor is phenomenal. I'm loving it. But you need, for the price of $350, please add a battery, add a power cable. Let us pull it out of the box so it can work. The camera itself is great. I just want to let you guys know that. The picture quality is amazing. I went outside and I turned on the camera and I was still able to see even from angles. So it gave me a really good view. I'm loving the camera. I was just a little disappointed that there's no battery or power cable included in this purchase. So if you're going out to buy one, just beware that you should order a battery or a power cable when you're ordering this, so it'll all get to you on the same day. I'm gonna add a link below where I got my batteries and my adapter to go with it. Don't buy it from Sony. The battery, one battery by itself from Sony is $54, and the adapter from Sony, I believe, is $79. I got both batteries and the adapter for less than the price of one Sony battery. But I'll add those links below. To the people you're buying it from, you're welcome. This has been another production from OndaWire. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out.